This video I will show you how you can remove a background of an image in Photopea. First of all, we are in Photopea and we have our image here. We click on our image layer and then we click on select and then we click on remove. And as you can see, it doesn't look pretty, but then we do it again. And then you have to watch a short ad, unless you have the Pro membership. As you can see, we will get our reward in 7 seconds. And as you can see, it has removed the background and we now have our image all by itself. Another way that you could do this is by clicking on this one and the magneto lasso select. And then you can start selecting your points here. And you can do this all the way around what you want to remove. But as I said, this is just another way of doing it.